just ready to do something else. And I enjoyed classic cars, work on a lot of classic cars, and I found this thing on Craigslist for a deal. It was not exactly what I was looking for, but it was a good start. And I knew once I got it down on the ground and some wheels on it, it'd be sharp. My name's Eric Shively. I own a body shop called Precision Fit and Finish in Franklin, Virginia, and this is my '55 Chrysler Windsor. Especially in the business I'm in, I like meeting with people at the shop. I like talking to guys about car talk. I like discussing people's cars with them when they drop them off. So it's cool to have something in common with a lot of the car guys you're working on their cars. It feels good knowing that people bring their babies to me to work on and trust me with their cars. At the end of the day, when the car's done and they pick it up and they drive off, and they love the car, and seeing everybody's enjoyment of the cars being done is really my favorite part. People told me that running your own business is gonna stress you out and you're gonna just hate life and you're just gonna go nonstop, but I love every minute. Between work, paperwork, dealing with customers, I'm doing 65, 80 hours a week and I got no complaints. I'm trying to put out the work and still have the quality. So sometimes it's easier said than done. Sometimes jobs take a little bit longer than they should, but I know at the end of the day with my name on the car, it's gonna hold up. I started on the car about 4 years ago. It's still nowhere near done. It's cool driving this old, big, shiny car, you know, low to the ground when you're riding around. You get thumbs up, you get yells, you get horn honks. You know, it's nice to know your work is appreciated.